if you could hire more than 340 AI employees today, command them directly from the apps already on your phone, and have them create your text, images, voiceovers, videos, campaigns, research, and business content on demand? No complicated software to learn, no jumping between endless dashboards, no writing the same prompts again and again, and no waiting days for freelancers. You simply open WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or Slack, choose the Claw agent you need, send a command, and get the job done. Think about how much time disappears every week writing sales letters, creating email campaigns, designing ads, researching competitors, writing product descriptions, planning social media, creating voiceovers and videos, answering customers, and preparing reports. Maybe you already use AI, but most AI tools still leave you doing the hard part. You open one tool for writing, another for images, another for voiceovers, another for videos, and another for research. Then you copy the output, paste it somewhere else, fix the formatting, organize the files, and try to remember where everything was saved. You may have access to more AI than ever before, yet you are still managing every step. That is not delegation. That is more software to operate. Hiring people is not always the answer either. Employees need salaries, training, management, and supervision. Freelancers can be slow or inconsistent. Agencies can become expensive. And even after outsourcing, you may still spend hours explaining tasks, checking revisions, and waiting for delivery. So what if you could stop operating AI tools and start commanding an AI workforce? Introducing Claw AI Army. Claw AI Army gives you access to more than 340 specialized AI employees called Claw agents. Each Claw agent is built for a specific type of work, and you can command them directly from WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or Slack, the apps you already use every day. Need text? Ask a Claw agent to write a sales letter, landing page, video sales letter, webinar script, email sequence, ad copy, product description, SEO article, lead magnet, proposal, social media calendar, customer response, launch plan, headline, hook, caption, or call to action. Need images? Tell an image Claw to create ad banners, social graphics, product visuals, thumbnails, blog images, illustrations, campaign graphics, or branded marketing assets. Need a professional voiceover? Send the scripts or describe what you need. Your voice Claw can create voiceovers for sales videos, advertisements, explainers, training videos, presentations, product demonstrations, podcasts, audiobooks, and social content. Need videos? Command a video Claw to create promotional videos, video ads, product videos, explainers, reels, shorts, faceless marketing videos, training content, and campaign assets. This isn't just chatting with AI. You are assigning work to specialized AI employees and receiving usable business assets in return. Imagine sending one message from your phone: create a complete promotional campaign for my new product. Your Claw agents can research the market, identify the strongest angles, write the sales copy, prepare the emails, create the graphics, generate the voiceover, and produce the video assets. Instead of operating 5 different tools, you command one AI army. Every task, conversation, file, and completed output stays connected to your Claw AI Army cloud account. Your work remains organized by project so you can access it later without searching through old chats, random downloads, and scattered folders. Completed assets can also be automatically uploaded directly to your Google Drive. Start the task from WhatsApp, check it from Telegram, and access the finished files inside your Claw AI Army account or Google Drive. Your work follows you wherever you go. You can also upload your brand guidelines, offers, documents, product details, and project data so your Claw agents can create more relevant work for your business. That means less explaining, less repetition, and more consistent results. And Claw AI Army goes way beyond content creation. Use Claw agents for marketing, sales, research, SEO, e-commerce, customer support, operations, productivity, lead generation, campaign strategy, and repetitive everyday work. For entrepreneurs, it means getting more done without immediately hiring a large team. For agencies and freelancers, it means producing more client deliverables. For marketers, sellers, coaches, creators, consultants, and local businesses, it means turning ideas into finished assets faster. Your Claw agents are available whenever you need them. They do not take holidays, they do not ask for salaries, and they do not make you wait until Monday, but you always remain in full control. You decide what to assign, you review the results, and you approve, edit, refine, or reuse anything before publishing it. Claw AI Army does not replace your judgment, it multiplies your ability to execute. Now, consider what it would cost to build this capability separately: a writing platform, an image generator, a voiceover tool, a video creation platform, research software, automation software, cloud storage, and the people required to operate everything. That stack can quickly become expensive and difficult to manage. But today, you can get access to Claw AI Army for a simple, one-time investment of just $59, one AI workforce, more than 340 Claw agents, text, images, voiceovers, videos, and business tasks, all commanded from the apps already on your phone, and your purchase is protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Connect your preferred channel, choose a Claw agent, assign real work, and see what your AI Army can do for your business. The choice is simple. Continue collecting AI tools, opening more tabs, writing more prompts, and managing every task yourself, or build your own AI workforce and start assigning the work. Click the button below and get Claw AI Army now. Hire more than 340 AI employees, command them directly from WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or Slack. Create text, images, professional voiceovers, videos, campaigns, and business assets, all right from your smartphone. Keep everything organized in your cloud account and automatically save completed files directly to Google Drive. And get more work done without building a massive team. Stop operating more AI tools. Start commanding your own AI army. Get Claw AI Army today